Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first ever video. I'm your host, the Guinnecologist. Today we will be reviewing the Guinness caramelized onion, macaroni, and cheese. Now I am so beyond excited for this because today we are brought to you by Zin and Guinness itself. Now guys, let me pause right now, because my liver is going to be absolutely caramelized after this. You see, we got the pot steaming already. So let's just get right into it. We open up this box. Now, this isn't Kraft mac and cheese. You don't gotta fuck around with the butter and the milk. It's just one cheese packet. Now everyone loves that. Not too good looking there. Now in the pot we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Now I wish you guys were here to experience this with me, the Guinnecologist, because I am boiling with excitement. Now, while we wait, it's just music to my ears. So guys, shit's really starting to heat up, so I had to grab my sidekick. Now, he thinks he's my sidekick, but a cat has about 400 grams of protein. He doesn't know that, so we got the oven heating up right now, guys. So bear with me. It was nice knowing you, buddy. We're gonna drink one for the dead, homies. Rest in peace, Bugman. Now you see, if there was a label here, that would have been split right there, right down the middle. Hello, Bug. Now guys, the macaroni's in the pot. Now that's a wrap. And while we wait, we chug. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, it is, what's the date? December something? Well, anyway, it ain't Halloween, but I feel like a goddamn witch on Halloween right now. Because this is a potion of, oh, what is that? Oh, it's so mysterious, and like, it's just every fiber in my fucking body right now. It's just flowing. I can't explain it, it's just flowing. The Guinnecologist is vibing right now, guys. Now, I don't really know what they put in this, nor do I want to know, but I don't know who in their right mind would put these directions together and not tell me to pour at least a splash of Guinness in my Guinness noodles. So that killed the boil, but it'll come back and it's gonna taste even more Guinnessy. That's just what, you know, the Guinnecologist likes. More Guinness. Now guys, I don't think putting the Guinness in here was the greatest idea. It's frothing. You know, it's fine. We just created a brothin'. It's good. Now, this task right here, it gets a boy parched. It really does. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna chug. Now, the moment we have all been waiting for, mainly me, we're gonna do a noodle try with the Zin in the upper decky. Them noodles be ready, boy. Now guys, just take a gander at that color. That is not a proper color, but I do not care. Let's give her a strain. Now boys, I don't know about you, but I am getting a very nostalgic feeling from looking at these noodles. This is a throwback to the Princess Craft mac and cheese noodles. I don't know if I'm just imagining things, but I'm seeing shapes and faces, and I don't think it's just the Guinness talking. All right, let's get that back in the bowl. When I squeeze, you say cheese. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's finally coming to me. Whoever sings that song, Cardi B, Megan the Horse, or freaking Nicki Minaj, macaroni in the pot. This is better than that WAP. Now that the liquid gold has been produced, I will spit my Zen out, but not often do I spit my Zen out for anything, but I will make an exception for the liquid gold. Here we go. The moment of truth. Here standing with you right now is the Guinnecologist, and we are going to dive into this Guinness Mac and Cheese. All right, here we go. Now this was a long, grueling process. I think I've gained 5 pounds of drinking Guinness. That's fine, because it's just a price you have to pay for the goodness of that. My Lord. Please say a prayer, because this is going straight to the liver. It's gonna be coated in onion and Guinness, which is what we want. Here we go. That's the spoon. No plate, no utensils, no contaminants. Here we go. I was a little scared about the Guinness splash. That Guinness splash was much needed. I feel like it would not be this Guinnessy if I did not add that Guinness splash. That's money. One word to describe this: money. All right, let's go for another one. Let's add a little sauce this time. Here we go. Get it nice and coated. Ooh. 5 bites minimum. That's on the box. I didn't make that up. Swallow it whole. Wash it down with little. I hate drinking out of a can. Oh man. You just can't beat it. You thought Velveeta was good? Boys, come over to my kitchen right now. There's not going to be any when you get here, but I'll go to Walmart and buy you another box. On me. Guys, thanks for tuning in and watching me eat some liquid gold. Now we're going to log out saying, I did not cook my cat, but I'm thinking about it still. And we will sign off with a cheers, fellas. Christmas is in the air. Guinness is in the air. Smash that like button for your boy, the Guinnecologist, because I am here to stick around. Everything Guinness related, come to me.